Yo. Hello. And welcome back to the channel. April 24. Donnerstag. Mijn naam is Viggy. En ik maak video's. Mostly of Yiddish. Gaan we vangen de handige video. Aber cool. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Was helpt me in the channel out tremendously so. Thank you for that. If you can be a channel member, that would be greatly appreciated. Wenn man fängt nicht vergessen, das ist absolutely, positively, 100% nicht financial advice. So please be very careful. The market hat wegnehmen alles, was die hast. Ich kann nicht wie die heißt. So please, do not copy trade. Kick es wie ein Kind oder ein Adult, wo spielt Lego. Und weiß nicht, was es tut. So please. Just saying. All right. What's the do hand of the chopping block? Thomas Evans of the chopping block. Man lose. What happened to me? I don't know. Een stukje cold. Zat me gehabt da. Is er iets minus? All right, let's go. Deadly attack in Kashmir. It's nicht gewesen hand, but in India, Kashmir, India, so gehargert 26 people and injured 17. India hat gewalt. Sie followen the terrorists. Und sie bringen sie justice. Crazy. Alright, kijk, dus het is aan een stille morning. Een stille in de free. By the way, as a having do, consider liking. You have a hit like. You have a strike den button. Ze gaat een lange weg. Ze zoekt voor de algoritme, maar de hast es lieb. Meaning, als het te schicken van mensen was kennen dich oder dezelfde idee, te schicken de video's. Ze watchen. That is the idea. Yankee T. Good morning, Yankee T. The day should bring us everything good. Good, yes. Hopefully. Leibi Fede. Guten Sie Morgen. How you doing? How was your day so far? How was your morning? Well, we stand out with a stickle Koldaki. Not sure what's happening. It's interessant, aber het schon nicht von der Ukraine war, ich lein do, as Ukraine has seen an uptick in aerial attacks with deadly strikes reported in Kiev. Und man hört schon nicht davon, meaning, es macht schon nicht so viel in der News. Das ist was geschehen. Kurden wird jeder einer Bubiba, in Ordnung, man wird sicher was nebach zu der Pen. But it's sad for the innocent people. It's always sad for the innocent people in any conflict. Weißt du, was man merkt? I mean, it's still in my head. I'm still formulating a thought. Wegen Antisemitism. Since du Antisemitism, man hat nicht lieb einen, weil er Yid. Stuff is not based off a masa or something. You just don't like him because he's a Jew. Just for that fact. Ich sehe aber, lately, as I do a rise von Antisemitism, nicht weil du bist a Yid. They based on us off stories. Sie say, ja, emes, nicht emes. We're not getting into that. They based on their hate off a masa, which that makes it just harder to defend. Because was is if einer bringt der etwas a masa in gerecht? How can you fight that? You know what I mean? Man darf sein extra vigilant, you know? Ich suche von einem, we might not consider them Jews, but von den Drossen die Gewalt sind sie Jiden. In Drossen von unser Circle sind wir uns alle Jiden. Regardless of what you think, you know what I mean? Es ist in der Blit. That's why we got to be extra careful. Wenn ich sehe, Evergreen Bag oder ein Londo's Bag auf dem Floor, werde ich mehr aufgeregt, wie ich sehe, wenn ein Shoprite Bag. You get what I'm saying? What a day. What a day. Ich habe geschlafen spät Nächten. Wat ich schon älter habe, stehe ich auf in der Früh. Wie er sei da. MS, good morning. How you doing? Scheint dir zu sein. MS, how's your morning so far? How you doing? Man greift sich für einen guten Tag. Man greift sich und man freut sich. On the way to work. Okay. That could be a positive. That could be a positive. Ich rede von anderen Sachen. Es ist irrelevant. Irrelevant. Like es auf der anderen Seite von der Wand. Irrelevant. Alright, alright. I like where I'm going with it. Weißt du, wenn man hat einen Job oder eine Sache, wo es ist stable schon for a while, fühlt man sehr stark like, oh, sie kommt da so. What do you mean? But all of a sudden, when the shift gets as a rock, and nicht die, I'm just saying, es geht as a rock, and oh. Seht man, wie lucky man ist, wenn man hat a Income. A JOB, you know what I mean? Bitcoin 92,000. Ist Bitcoin schon gewesen 96? 94. Okay, nicht schlecht. Steht in dem Range. Dann habe ich noch mit der Stuffy News or something. A Ronnie News. What's the price for gold? Gold had hit a world record, 3,500, April 22nd. $2,500 ever in history. Let me say the gold price. Oh, so halt het opgegangen. Het is 3,300. Wow. Menschen, die haben gekauft bei 1,100, bei 1.000. Getrippelt sein Geld. Warum so gepinkt 1.000? Because I remember looking at it at 1,000. Lass mal sehen, wenn sie 1.000. In 2020, is going $1900. No, let's go more. In 2016, is going $1000. Wow. Was ist mitgegangen mit Inflation? So, es ist nicht so wie echt darauf, der ganze Geld. The buying power ist geworden schwacher. So. Es ist gains, but nicht crazy gains. Meaning, besser wohl gewesen, wenn man kauft Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Ich habe gesehen, als dieser heißt der, in Israel, ich bin in Mar-a-Lago. Ne. By the way, the energy was Trump hat, whenever I think about it, werde ich mitfahren. Der Mensch is 80-something years old. A generator with power. I don't know how he does it. The guy is one of a kind. Ich rede nicht von seinen policies or anything. I'm talking about just the fact. Bei Nacht auf, in der Früh auf. Just crazy. Vice versa. Good morning, vice versa. How you doing? Hello and welcome. How's your morning? Ich kann einfach machen, dann sie free mit Viggy. Pa, 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 pa. Für wie kommst du auf mit der Nummer vice versa? And vice versa. Es ist eigentlich mit Chaibi gesucht. Die suchst alles verkehrt. So you were like, you know what? I think vice versa is a good name. I woke up an hour ago. Good morning. Yossi brother. Good morning. How you doing? Ich kann einfach machen, dann zu früh mit dem Kaffee mit Viggy. Appreciate. Was gibt's hier getroffen? Man darf von einem betrachten, dass er nicht kein Lock. If you get what I'm saying. Ich nehme mal ein bisschen Credit jetzt. Ich nehme mal ein bisschen Kredit da. Sie gehen ein paar promising stocks haben in der Früh. But sie gegangen awry. Jetzt ist es bye-bye. I'm like, what's happening? Do something interesting? Meaning? Ich hab es geleint, vice versa, aber gefühlt wie... Kennst du die Menschen, die haben Monkeys in India? Auf einer Chain? Und man geht sein Geld und der Monkey geht... Das ist aber gefühlt wie die Phrase. Do something interesting. Oder vice versa. Do not something interesting, huh? Played your game against you? Hello? Do tricks? Hoe geht a joke? Einer geht die für ein Interview, ein Job-Interview. Und fragt ihm, okay, der Baboes fragt ihm, was ist da normales? Dus kennt sehr schnell Math. Sagt ja? Okay. Fragt ihm, wie viel ist 45 plus 45? Sagt 18.000. Kijkt hem onder Baboes, bro. Die bist wrong. 45 plus 45 kippt nicht aus 18.000. Sagt er, yeah, but I was quick, huh? Wasn't I? Put you. Avi. Good morning, Avi. How you doing? How is Antwerp? Antwerpener, how is it going? It just mind boggles me as ich sitze in New York and einer in een Antwerpener kann mich sehen. All the way there. Dat is maßbar von einem Mensch 200 Jahre zurück. Laat wat iedereen aan. Meilig. Total tegen. I'm not following. Hold on. My memory spielt that in sometimes. Legend, wieso? Toto? Weiß ich, wo der Wort meint. Legend weiß ich, aber der andere weiß ich nicht. Die meinst, oh, okay, Meilig Halpern. Ja, Meilig is fine. Het geeft gitte vibes, der Meilig. Vice versa, ich trage zu mir, wenn ich like bei my hand auf der Kopf, also wie die Zugs werden, just imagine the power die hast. Put your hand on the right, put your hand on the head. Huh? Wel, kannst mich hinterkaufen. Schickst dir an a super chat, like ich die Hand auf den Kopf. In the Hebrew word, what do you think? You had a nice call with him too. It's a Hebrew word? Oh, weiß ich nicht. Simon says. Man darf so ein simple Simon says, huh? The game Simple Simon Says shows you, and man kann ausfappen the brain. Ja, jetzt haben wir gechat ein bisschen, Labi. Jetzt haben wir gechat. Ich trage zu mir, als ich habe ihn reviewed, right? It happens to be, ich habe ihn gegeben favorable, right? Because he was good. I didn't mind, didn't bother me. He was good. And hat rausgereached, right? But stell dich vor, wenn einer bei mir nicht favorable, should also reach out. You know what I mean? 904. Then I'm looking to the court. By the way, I'm going to hit the like button. It goes such a long way. So just a pressel of, just a drickle. James Rajet. Good morning. Selling your soul for money. Everybody's got a price, James. Everybody's got a price. The eerste number is a 1 and the rest is wiffel zeros. Wiffel gurnisches likes to see, noch the 1. Alright, Miguel. You as well, vice versa, have an awesome and lechtige talk. The last review on him. Avi, please. Just using a little words. A second. Hold on. Alright. Der News spielt mir immer ein bisschen. Der News läuft mir. Darf es noch laufen? Gorgeous eyes. Get. Alright, we're getting this morning started. Vice versa, what is die? Holiday nummer, vice versa. Not gonna lie. I like. All right, I'll be back in a second. Mother Nature. Hold on. This call by Mother Nature is brought to you by... I'll be back in a second. All right, we're back. James, we should have James. So how many zeros is it for you? I don't know yet. I have to see the money and I have to see the request. You know what I mean? Nacht mit einer gesitzen mit a 65-year-old und mit der zahlt am Maßen für sein Sinn. As I don't want to get into it. Einer gewollt etwas stehen und geoffert a bunch Geld. Doch mich angeriefen, most probably, ich wollte nicht gekannt. Sagen nein. You know what I mean? All right. Manus is playing games with no shame. So läuft ihm da rum. Hold on. Manus is on fire, huh? Es wird ärger und ärger. Was gaat denn besser und besser? James, ich try to sound realistic. You know what I mean? What's the name of Peggy's Husten? Joily. Funny enough. By the way, nechten, op een review, Mandy, with Mandy, is gered for famous people. Wie ze me act of een gas, dat mensen kunnen zien. Zo zat met de manta story, einer op mij gezocht als geweest in BRC, en gezien heb ze online figure, hold on. If I survive today, it's going to be a miracle. Jim with a J. Good morning. Falkovich. If I remember correctly. No, James look, whoa, she got engaged. I guess she got popular. No, I'm just can't find them. You know him? Yes. I do know him. But knowing him is a lot of levels besides knowing him. You get what I'm saying, Jim? Do we really know a person? So I was saying, wegen treffen a famous Mensch, wegen wie sie me act, der ist hat nicht Mandy, wat nicht ein Gerät auf Mandy, also. Aber ich muss eine Story, wie einer sucht mir gewesen in BRC, und der gesehen a Internet-Kochav. A Star. Hij had hem gegeven attitude. Yiddish, das. Zo heb ik gezegd, had er dus gegeven geen attitude. Had er geact wie een normale mens. Door die fields wie die kennst hem. Because you build a relationship. And now that he's not reciprocal to you, you feel like, hey, bist gidsbedik in a sense. That reminds me, when Facebook is uitgekomen, Gedenke ich, als nicht gefallen auf Menschen, ich habe gesehen, titzig, Pictures, Menschen, man tun kennen andere Menschen. Und ich denke, ich habe mal reingebombt in einem, ich habe gefühlt, wie ich kenne. Ich habe schon gesehen auf Facebook. Er kijkt mich gewoon, ich sage ihm, hallo, weißt du, wie kennst du mich? Er sagt mir, who are you? Whatever, we figured out, als ich, some of friends, und ich habe ihm gesehen auf Pictures und Sachen, so I built a relationship in a sense. So das kann auch sein. That was just a thought. By the way, Jim, ich habe gemacht a review of the Peggy video, Nachi. And 2 days later, I heard that he got engaged, or a day later, and I was like, wow. I'm Muslim, I was gemacht before. Because otherwise, I would have been biased. You know, when you know the guy, you want to be favorable. So, I got that out in the nick of time. Thank you, Yossi. I'll take that as a compliment. Well, that's how I feel, you know, going back to the Canada Mensch. Like a singer is auch a bisschen different. Canon, weil die siehst nur singen. Mit the YouTube, you feel like you know someone. When are you releasing the review? In a few days, I guess. I don't know. Weiß nicht. Saying. Maybe he likes to get pegged. And if he does, James, he won't be the only one. Okay? But se kimmt see anything in Jena industry, Jena line, bedroom stuff, nothing is off the charts. That's why it belongs in the bedroom. You should do 4 vent on a dach and a floor, and over there you should feel comfortable to do whatever you want. Okay? Jeder einer hat sich seine Sache. Think you're right. Thank you, Yossi. Zan right is schon der nächste Sache. Nicht habe ich, you know, is right the point. Ich denke, wenn ich genommen mein motorcycle license, hat mich der teacher, the class guy, gesagt, you can be right and we'll put it on your gravestone. This driver was right. So not always is right the Zach, but you get what I'm saying. It's just a theory, just an idea. Die watched a mensch for a while, you build a relationship in your head, and then when you meet him, dann brain ist sie gewohnt. Wenn ich sage dance, meine ich specific dance. Ich meine the collective brain. Und ich sie gewohnt, sie sehen Sachen von einer zweiten und haben eine relationship, right? Finde wenn das gut zurück, als ich kenne eine relationship mit einem, wo es wohnt 15 Mal rechts. How would you know? So you schick a message, schick a pictures, but the advent von Internet, you gain your brain, inside your brain, gained as a certain, oh, ich kenne ihn. What do you mean? Ich watch him, ich sehe seine Videos. And so, don't get, wie heißt das, ob die treffst einen, wo die, ich weiß nicht, kickst da rauf ist das Wort. Like someone that you follow and kicks da rauf. I don't like that word. Also wie kann ich nicht das Wort Influencer. Ugh. And I get a sort of attitude, check yourself. See like, oh, hat auch da live. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah, you can still die and have the right of way. Exactly, Yossi. Where is the review? Never saw it. It's noch nicht live. But actually favorable. I think so. Yossi, now you understand the attitude. Is ook het, weil die treffst een mens, wo es nur die siehst curated is the word. Wieso is al de glibum? Like, whoa, hold on. Mijn kop met dat loop. Wenn die watcht een mens, die curate, the cold is around in my moyach, huh? Okay. My point, what I'm trying to say, is, wenn ein Mensch legt darauf Sachen auf the Internet, choose was aufzulegen. And the Mensch, wo seht nur das. So formt a relationship nur mit the character, lass mal sagen. As I begin to get the mood, oder now when you meet him in the street, Is ein Mensch wie dir, und jetzt ist pissed off or whatever. Und die kommt sie mit der Energy mit der 10, weil die hast da Gittertug, und die kennt, like, wow, Chaim mit dort, ich kenne ihn. Und die wächst sie mit einer riesigen Energy, und happens to be a 3-hand, and ich bin happy, weil er doch alive. They drop down from 10 to 3 is gefährlich. And usually got my self-reflection, like, something wrong with me? Did I do something wrong? No. Just is what it is. 9:15, 15 minutes to market open. And nicht vergessen, this is nicht financial advice. So please be very careful. Ich lerne nicht aus, wie sie mit trade. Kiek es wie ich weiß nicht, wo sich die. Alright. Can you send the link? James. Special connections, huh, James? Siehst James the Muschel? 2 zeros. In die bekommst the link. You see what I'm saying? And ich frage me, one more word, it goes up a 0. But popular should expect that. Yes, but zijn ook het human. You know? Dat ook alive. Meaning, get a flyer aan in a tree, bekomt a message, eine geht hem auf de nerven, oder, you know, sometimes weck ich mich auf, ich bin auch schon gittermut. Oder jenen nicht gittermut. And they deal with it, Yossi. I think so. I think they deal with it. They tried the best, but die treffst 25 Menschen, und jeder muss dir gegeben eine gute Attitude. Das getroffene ein Mensch pinkt ihm, pipa, bist du aufgeregt, oder hast du nicht gar kein mental Koyach für das. Und boom, jetzt kijkt dich jener rund wie, bist du ein normaler Mensch? Ich watsch dir. But don't forget, they're also people. Popular people are also people. Ze hebben ook het lives. Yes, it's hard to be always in a good mood for everyone, yes. Laat me nemen liepe schmelzen, right? Just because it is grootness. Whenever die zeesten barachasana, other videos, is that happy, right? So you don't know, dan brain not this collective, wenn die wächst auf mit einem Chaber in Yeshiva. Zeesten wie, dienstig, aufgeregt, you start learning, okay, dan brain, nicht die personally, dan inside. Geht mit the moods. But die kijkt lieper videos, die zeest das in dein Bed, die zeest das in de car, die heerst aan music. In die pictures, toch, dan brain zoekt zich liep is, I be happy. Now when you meet him, and pink jetzt is overtired, and I don't know. Is it some machine disappointment? So wie gefragt zoekt attentie a 3. Das sag mal, wenn man steht auf und man sagt 6. Ja. Ich red, from 1 to 10. 10 is happiest in a sense. 0 is like disastro. 1, disaster. So wenn man die steht auf a 6. Und noch ein Fuß da rupt sie a 4. Is es nur a 2-level drop. But wenn die steht auf ein Tag, die bist a feine 9.5. Die bist happy, der Wetter geht, alle chemicals in Kopf spielen. Now, sie geht von 9.5 zu 4, ist es a 5% drop. 4% drop. Viel te sach mehr devastating. Wie wenn die steigst auf a 4. You know what I mean? Viggy, I'm confused. Did you give out the positive package? No. Not yet, James. It's not out yet. I made the review not live. So I said if you want the link, it's unlisted, meaning that it's not public. But if you want the link, I made a joke that how many zeros? I said 2 to get it. You get what I'm saying? Being funny there. I'm not, but trying to. So noch ist in draußen, James. Hashem echad, Hashem elef, Hashem elef. Don't know yet. Ich habe es gemacht, es ist herangegangen, we'll see. I don't know, Yossi. I don't know. Says in my inbox, waiting to be released. So we'll see. Viggy is selling links. Yes, exactly, Jim. No, but Frieger had wiffel the prize. I said everybody has a price, so take a freak wiffel zeros. Zoek van them. Thank you, Yossi. I really do appreciate it. Ich try zu halten sometimes videos, wenn ich, du musst also, ich darf gehen live, but nachdem habe ich ein Gig, kommt daran, will ich stamm lassen, blank, will ich auch Sachen herauszugeben, you know what I mean? 9:21, 9 minutes, and we're gonna have fun. But please, this is financial advice. Please be very careful. I gotta keep saying it. My name steht es du hinten. Not financial advice. Copy trade nicht. Kiekst du, wie ich weiß nicht, was ich tue. Now that you say, so that's why I'm glad. One morning I woke up, I was in a very good mood. I was on a 9.5, and I decided to make the review. So I sat down, I made the review, and a day later or 2 days later, it became engaged. I saw it on a group that it became engaged. So I sent him a message. I'm like, wow, mazel tov. And also, thank God I reviewed it before, because I would have been biased. I would have tried to make it in a good light, weil ich, you know, sich gestammt umzusetzen. It would have skewed my brain, you know. So if you want einer, please review my video, and I schickt daran a super chat. Like, how can I be real? You get what I'm saying? Als einer macht ein Video, und schickt es mit Geld, also wie der Quittel, weißt du, man geht daran zu haben, man geht der Quittel, der mehr Geld zu tun hinter der Quittel, als mehr warm nimmt dich der Rebbe auf, you know, so. Du arbeitest aber nicht in der Gitter Favor, in der Veremes. KWE? What's with KWE? Hold on. I'm gonna get Mari Karando. Hold on. BCTX kijkt ons wie ze macht das artikel. Return. I think Yoli Falkovich could take it, Jim. I think he can handle it. He's a big boy. I don't think Viggy is going to ruin anything. You know what I'm saying? So I'm confident. Ooh, some Gahadua. 1 to 21. Today is your Rebbe's Yutzat. Welche Rebbe Yutzat? Jim, ich kann fühlen, als ich bin geworden triggert. Ich kann daran checken. Ich habe gesehen, ein Lever geht in the back of my head. Puck! Jacob. Good morning. Please review Nachi's podcast with Michal. Jim, wisst ihr eine funny story wegen Beidach Moshe? Ich bin nicht aufgewachsen, knowing him. Ich habe ihn nur gesehen 2-3 Mal in my life. And ich bin nicht gerne involved in jener Saat. Was ich denke, schwer ist, vielleicht mal begleiten. So, ich flieg da bei der Rebbetzen, so ich habe echt nicht gewusst. But mein Cousin hat Kergen immer von der Fackeln. So, ich habe bekommen eine Fackel. Und ich bin gestanden. All of a sudden, doorgevoerd in de kar. En ik zei, een ältere Mensch in de kar. En dan ga je, hij is al zijde. Ik heb ze afgevraagd, maar als hij zegt. De regeert. Toby. Good morning. De oil was al hitting the like button, zo ik zie. Good morning, Toby. How are you? How's the dough flying today? So in de tweede Buch, ich habe ihn nicht gesehen, but dann sind wir reingefahren zu Wilhelmsburg, a Bruche von dem Reben. So wir bekommen $1. And I remember I bought a soda with $1. The soda machine. So. But whatever, ich ist Stamm Arutze bringen. Soll his soul reach to the highest levels. I'm saying it against Satmar Rebbe, I'm zecher says it is of the highest level possible. I guess we have creating yet an high level. All right? A whole new level for this dude. Flying high in the sky. Nice. Sally. Sally. Good morning. Rebbe gave you $1 and you bought a soda with it. Yeah. He wasn't my Rebbe. Meaning, I didn't grow up him being my Rebbe. Ich habe gedacht, Benai Yoel. The Rebbetzin. It wasn't Benai Yoel then. Benai Yoel. It turned into a Benai Yoel. Benai Yoel was like, we're not following anybody. We're just going back to Yoel. A Rebbe. Yes. It's important between an A and the. You know what I'm saying? By the way, when a Baba wird in a Satmer in a Purchas... Okay, the Babitsche kennen nicht sitzen, because I Rebbe lebt noch. Joking, Sally. But when a Wischnitzer, a Belzer, a Baba wird in a Satmer sitzen zusammen, ist sagen, der Rebbe sich hieße Jugend alleine, oder der Heilige Rebbe, keiner weiß nicht, für wen man redet. Welche Rebbe redet man für? I'm obligated to tease you. Teasing is good. Teasing keeps us young. You gotta be quick in the tongue, you know what I mean? Come back with a stickel stech. Maybe give a little brech. Joking. Toby the Dove, flying high in the sky. Nice. How's the view up there, huh? How is the view? 9:27. Toby's flying to heaven. It's a juke. What means the dove? Toba. A tobala. A pigeon. A pigeon heißt a dove. By the way, they tobalachs are from China. They came through boats. They used to eat them. And by the way, they're vicious. They're very vicious. They will kill you if they can. Let's go. 9:28. Shouldn't have any hate. But don't worry, we'll be late. City will be given an 8. All right. Enough with the jokes. A shark of a person in Israel in seconds with nothing left. Oy vay, yes, I heard. Sad news, yes. He was a soldier also. Terrible. But I also saw other videos where ich habe es gesehen von der Hate-Site, von der Zat von Hate, that other people were swimming with sharks. They didn't go anywhere. Alles geht's. Good morning. 9:29. We still got time. We got 1 minute. How you doing, alles geht's? But it's sad, yes. Einer geht schwimmen in the beach. Wir nehmen der Rebbe gesagt, wir tun gehen zum Beach. Wir nehmen der Gemeinde bei Schalaschides teures. Hat sie joini einsach. Gehen zum Beach. Come on, peoples. Toby was like, I will show him. Jim. Tov is Yonah in Hebrew. I'm kidding. Thank you, alles gut. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hinten sind wir 11 Seconds weg, bis der Market öffnet sich auf. Und Chevre, greiz und the bags. I'm joking. So, nicht kein financial advice. So please be very careful. Oi, bei Mul, suche ich bei Mistake. Sie kaufen, ist es ein Mistake. So please. Yes, I saw that video as well, Toby. They were playing. I saw a father was recording his kids and the shark, and he was like Alta zoos, Lola zoos, bro. And if you zoos, not to rub the finger, not to rub the hand. I don't know. I see sharks, I go the other way. You know what I'm saying? Like if I walk down the street and I see a shark next to me, I'm like, tailing my ass out of there. Yeah, that's what I was screaming at that. I'm like, you're telling your kids don't altazoos? Ze voelt dat gaan bos doen. We kunnen dit overessen. But I get it. Bye, shark, bye. Oh, yeah. But it's interesting, they don't look at us as food, so I don't know why. I guess it's an azai hingrik. I don't know. But the people that hate Israel, the Israeli haters, oh, guys are all on top of this. They're like loving it. They're taking them out one by one by the beach to overcome it. And die Zooks take him out. Meinst du fatally mit der schießen des Sharks? By the way, this might be a good thing. Maybe machen shark repellent. Wie man schwimmt, man gießt es daran in der Wasser und sharks kommen nicht über the barrier. That might be good. Playing with the tails, teasing them? Oh, terrible. Weil sie stark sharks sind, they just ate up a guy. Bruh. The shark are attracted to warm water near the chimneys. Oy. Gotta go, guys. My daughter's performing on her school choir. Have a lovely day, Sally. I hope she performs well. She sings well. And if not, it's still good. Have a lovely day, brother. Sister, I should rather say. Bye, Sally. It's not bye, it's see you soon. See you later. Bye is not a good word. I just realized it. I was like, don't buy me here. Say bye. Say see you soon. I'm talking to myself, sir. You're good. See you later. Oh, they're going dark, huh? Kids. Der größte Stock liegt sich 65% Hand. Pre-Market kann man machen Geld. Sie kijkt aus wie 9:30, der Eulam geht schlafen. Was ist happening? By the way, ich will sagen Happy Birthday, Perry. Perry. Happy birthday. That's why, Sally, it's good. Oh, wait, are you on the treadmill, Sally? Shabbos Menichu, By the way, ich tracht jetzt, usually do lifeguards, wenn sie kommt darauf a shark, sucht man shark, man legt darauf solche signs und Oilem geht raus von der Wasser. Why were they still in the water? Kashas of Israelis, huh? Beri so you love. Digga dam. Bayeli, bana Yisru. Let's go. Boonim lamu coin. Boonim lamu coin. Boonim lamu coin. Ki shechad, kilam kilam, everything God. Yisruai. Ki shechad, kilam kilam. As soon as the man was bitten, all of the other sharks came in because of the blood. Yes, they are very prone to blood. If you bleed in the Wasser, they will hunt you down. These people. But it's crazy, it's crazy. The question is, how could you prevent it? Can you prevent it, or is it like something that does happen and sadly there's nothing you could do? It's just sad. It's just sad. I always go to the families, you know, that are impacted of these Sachen. Geht around in the Wasser, and boom. How do you explain this? Like, I just gone to the beach, and this guy was in Gaza. So, meaning to say, what you shunem gemacht as in Gaza, he might not come back, but going to the beach and not coming back, that's a lot. Sean, we'll hear better news. I have a very dark joke that I want to make. A darky joke. I wanted to say the good, on the bright side, some sharks were fed. But it's a dark joke. I gave a warning. It's a combination of global warming and even warmer waters near the power stations. Oh, okay. But they don't have like detections? Like aerial things? I don't know. I'm trying to justify that things should be better. Oh, wow, heute Donnerstag. Morgen ist schon Freitag. Und nachdem kommt Shabbos, noch kommt der Weekend. Gonna be great. Viggy, you're making kegel? Oh, I didn't think about that. All those kids, but I think, what I might do is, I'll do a kegel in the crackpot. Challah this week. For the Zogen. I don't have a real good surface in machen challah. Or, I just have a good teretz. Can we say that? Ich habe a gute teretz. Nicht zu machen. But, man gaat machen a kegel. I'll do it in a crackpot. So, it's ready morgen, 12 Uhr Zeiger, 1 o'clock. Thank you, alles geht für den Mann. I have this thing that I forget things, to be honest. Watching tonight Velvel. Ich habe noch nicht auch gemacht, was ich watche nach, but it might be. Hat nicht herausgegeben 4 Finne-Videos auf einmal. Let members in for some tasters. Kennis is doorgegeven de camera. In de letzten 2 Wochen habe ich immer Fleisch gemacht, thin slices, in gefried, in habe es gefried, whatever, nicht gefried, whatever wie der Nummer ist. Ich habe es reingelegt noch dem in der Kegel. Shia! Good morning, Shia. How you doing? Scheint dir zu sein. Kudosh. Kudosh, tanz zusammen, der Heuche. How you doing, Shia? Wow, das machen wir gleich da. Wenn ich gesehen habe, Nummer ist gewinn equivalent to a super chat. Another schmies mit Hershey und Nochi. Actually, nicht kein bad idea, alles jetzt. Versuchung, nicht kein bad idea. Ist almost rausgemacht, nicht kein bad. Das heißt nicht kein good idea, but it is a good idea. But also they have to be willing and able to come on. You know what I mean? $4.20. Guide off. Get me put more pennies. Alles geht. Wo sind wir die deleting messages? Chase Louise. Stop it. Von wo badet mir das? Geht mir jetzt fragen. I don't know. Kann ich das Terz? Wieso du sechu? Wenn aber lieber je nie mit zwei sechu. Oh, it's sold. Oy vey. Okay. Same reason why Viggy wears sunglasses. No, it's not the same reason. How that? It's not even close. Maybe I schmooze with Yoli Falkovich. Jim, I did not think of that. I like. Wolf Bear Part 2. I don't know. Ob man kann hoben noch, nicht man kann sicher. See the conversation mit Wolf Bear hat sein also wie Geschmack. I don't know. I gotta try it. Ich habe so ein Stück resistance hier. I don't know why. Pfefferkorn is good stuff. Yes. Pfefferkorn is good stuff. He's reviving London, by the way. England. Go to Liney. He's a hustler. It looks like it. It definitely looks like it. But ook is een New Yorker, was omgekomen to England. So is a 9, was omgekomen to a 2. So I feel it is a 6, is fine. We could do a London tour. That would be nice. Okay, so ich habe gesehen, was ist geschehen. Ich habe auch geregt, hat sich es verkauft. Why? I don't know. Man lernt sich eibig. Let er veel keine. actually gerät sie, wie heißt der? Nicht gerät, but man got a conversation mit, no, von London. What's his name? I'm gonna get my checks on him. Meilach. So I'm forming a little people that know me there. Meaning, Unkeman can chill. Chillen wie will. Mit chicken them bill. I can provide refreshments if you come to London. Toby. Oh, you took out the air from my lungs. But good. Thank you. It will be a weird visit, I say. And weird doesn't mean wrong or bad. It will be all types of people. I feel like I should just come to England, make a video, and just announce that I'm there while I make the video. You know what I'm saying? Like, make the video, and then release it and stay there. Waiting for the oil. The cold seems like it's bouncing away. It's bouncing away, man, cold. We are happy for that. In them we're happy. Doesn't just snappy. Oh. What's the Christian politics now? I don't know. I'm not really following it. So I don't, Hanish kan inside. Usually other mensen reach naar us and zoeken meer. But in dem ben ik een beetje in the dark. No idea. Ze zijn de jaren doen politics dort. Wer ze own the days, wer ze had de keys, wer ze had de days, wer ze... Die alle Sachen, die Quorum Sachen, is de letzte 15 jaar exploded. Dus geen als een Sache. 10 jaar zurück. A viele, wie heißt der? In Muncie, der liegt auf Muncie, auf 306. No. Call me. Hello and welcome. Der Nimnitzer, yes. So, ihr gedenkt, der Nimnitzer, wenn man kennt noch herauffuhren mit der Car. Sie gewähnen also wie, almost like any other grave. Okay, nicht derselbe, so gaat da der Room in Sachen. But all of a sudden, boom, an explosion. So, die alle Kavura mit den Sachen hat alles exploded. Meaning, als du hast Zeros dort. Als du hast Zeros, hat man sich geschlagen. Jeder will sein ein Hero. You know what I mean? So, es ist eine terrible Sache. Also wie ich sage, ein Jid ist einmal umgekommen auf ein Island allein. Hat ihm gerescued. 10 Uhr später hat man gesehen, dass du 3 Schielen. Fragt man 3? Doet ja. You know what I mean? Is arrive car service reliable? Wo sagt? Aanhaken naar Pool en brengen ibedrijven naar car? Ja, reliable. A taxi service. Watch nur, wenn du schickst deine Kinder, that's it. Heiligen Geh. They're laying on, take over here. Sally, you were like, your kid doesn't sing well? X the page. So rude of me. Irks me. You gotta have like 2-3 screens on as you wait. Are you walking on your treadmill? Musicians are gigless now. Good one, alles gut. My kid is amazing. I just hate the song. But Sally, it's okay if you hate her. I'm joking. The song. It's okay to hate a song. Wait, is your daughter's name Song? That would be like a plot twist, like never seen before. Oh, my daughter? I love my daughter. Oh, Song? I hate it. Oh, here, meet my two daughters. One is Song and one is one is named Song. I hate her. We should sell her. No, we're joking. Lag boy mit dem Iran. No, by the way, wegen Lag boy mit dem Iran. Ich bin gewähnt in Lag boy mit dem Iran, wenn ich bin gewähnt in Israel. Actually, ich habe gelernt in Israel. I gotta say that. Shout out to Nuta. Nuta. Mach ein Briese gewähnt. Ich bin gewähnt in Iran. It didn't talk to me. It did not talk to me. We should sally her. What did you learn there? We learned Tor. Tor and Shulchan Aruch we learned. Where? Oh, where? Neiser. Shiva Gedoyla Neiser. Neiser. I'm sorry. How many shrubs? What, Jim? You gotta go a few times. It should talk to you. You're saying I gotta develop a taste. But wenn ich bin umgekommen zu Oman, habe ich gewagt auf Clouds, bro. Clouds. So, go Viggy, go. Ich bin sicher, it's beautiful. I'm not against Miran. Just for me, I didn't really feel it when I was there. Like, to be quite honest. There was no... Which Simon of Torah? Ich denke schon, ist Busa v'chulav habe gelernt. Wir gelernt mit Nuta. It was nice. It was such nice. What a nice time in Israel. Wir gelernt, sie gewähnt in Givat Sha'ol, Givat Sha'ol, Knisa Le'ir. Sie noch gewähnt fahr die ganze Train-Maße-Geschäft dort. You went to Oman? Sorry, I was 6 years in Oman. 6 years. The first 3 years was on my own, meaning, let's call it the holy tour. And the last 3 years was just working and wasn't so holy. Yes. The first few years that I found out about Breslov, I wanted to go, but I didn't end up going. But when I know, 1 year I decided I'm going. That's it, and I left. I had a big suitcase, packed everything up, and I just went. Adios, and it was amazing. It was really, really amazing. That's why you're learning more Chumash with Matas. All right, I'm not gonna argue. I don't know. Sabrin man muna manabun non. Did you see any cool miracles? I have some cool videos. Most of them are married now. If they would see the videos, they would be so embarrassed. Nothing bad, just we had a really, really good time. For me, it was very elevating. The first 3 years was crazy, crazy elevating. But then the last 3 years wasn't. So... Yamoy da Ravreb. Yamoy da Ravreb. Okay. Camp days are around the corner. There goes another 10K. Alles geht kommt daran, also klar. Du bist fein, alles gut. Ich habe verkauft sie schnell. Why did they even sell? I don't know. I have a bad taste in my mouth here. Song coming on. I'll be back. Enjoy, Sally. I'm saying instead of learning Tanakh, you learn something that is not really relevant. What do you mean? Busa B'chulov is not relevant? What are you saying? If you want to go into relevancies, Busa v'chulav is relevant every day of your life in your sector, if you know what I mean. A married woman doesn't have curls. Jim, checkmate. Well, she does. Checkmate back to you. Viggy, do you go to the Catskills? No, ich bin nicht aufgewachsen, gar nicht Country, weil ich komme von Monroe. In Salem bin ich gegangen. But ich bin gegangen in Salem. Met a lot of people in Salem. Salem Alekim. Mit Chappen dat Schwim. Mit dem Kicken auf dem Creme. Wo das hat mir du? Geht zurück zu dann so. Na, gar nicht gechappet also. I actually had a very, very awesome and amazing time in Salem. Loser Lieberman is Hanta Rebbe, but they go in their head counselor. Open up. Open up a Kisser Urig and learn it instead of vice versa. Can you in time? You know what I'm saying? No, I ain't doing nothing. For me, it's not relevant anymore. For me, persoonlijk. But then it was relevant. And I wanted to know it. In Ocha, the yeshiva is geleden, so it's not like really I could have done whatever I wanted. Bitcoin 92K. Say hey. 92K. Schon gewähnt 94. Schon gewähnt 94. Such an aruga drop to the core. We start every day streaming with 2 haluchas a day. The problem with them is, alles gets, as ma fangt tun azoi, and you're going to get to a halucha that is against the norm was mit dit hand. What are you going to do? You're going to drop it? Huh? Oder ga je doch machen von a scheugig zi amaiset. You know, ignorance is bliss. Kinniction is besser wie a dafkenik. You get what I'm saying? It goes way more than a super chat? Nope. I don't think so, alles geht's. Nicht von mir. Ich habe getreut bei Zoom mit, ich darf zu Rent. Bin ich zugegangen mit 2 Gemuschen, mit Atar. Haben uns gegeben von der Landlord. Aber er weiß nicht, was ich will. He wants money. His super chat. Brooklyn. So nice to see you. Good morning. How you doing? Scheint dir zu sehen. Ich kann euch fahren heran, checken. Finde ich also wie Sally, wegbacken. Sagen, als seine Tochter singt. Wo singt? Wie singt? Mach a joke. Did you learn how to cook yet? I'm joking. Clearly. She's up to the sandwich making portion. Alright. Not everything is fiscally money. Well, alles geht's. Zades Masber favorisen, man car dealer, man rent, man coffees, man shopping, man schar limit. You know what I'm saying? Als ich kann heranpushen in mein gas station 2 Schilchen Urigs mit 1 Kitzer und noch dem mit der Boeren wie Schummers in der car voert, you got me. By the way, ich bin nicht against me so lernen 2 Haluchas. I'm just saying, I don't think I am the right guy. You know what I'm saying? Ob einer Dafke like to a couple of zeros, Jim, I will do it for the money. You know what I mean? Not everything is money, but money is everything. Gunish is Geld, huh? Wie sagt man? Alles ist Hevel avul bis ich kommt zu meinem Bankaccount. You know what I'm saying? Jeder eine red breit. Liebe den zu suchen. Ich habe getroffen einen meiner Gasstation. Er sagt mir, sei immer so maßig, Hebra. Er sagt mir, Viggy, einer will mich kennen, whatever. Er sagt mir, Viggy, if you need anything, eine Karte hat Geld. Ja, obviously. Auch het lernt aber das darf man nicht. Er sagt mir, Viggy, if you need anything, give me a call. Und ich habe gedacht, you know what, let me call him out. Let me say, you know what, ich darf da $2,500 jetzt, hast? Stutz zu suchen, nein, er hat nicht. Viggy, mach dich schnarrisch. But if you know, you need anything, give me a call. Such mich steinig. Und darf machen wir dir ein Phone Call? Ich stehe du in Front von dir, such dir das. Nee, dann geht das vorher weg. Ken. Tulche. Good morning, Tulche. Viggy pays car limit. No, the idea, Jim. I don't pay car limit. I send to free school, if I have kids. I don't have kids. But when I have kids, I will send it to a free school. Whichever boss comes to my house for free will get the kids. Where can I wire $1 million? Fango mit a quick pay. Man mit a super chat. You know what I'm saying? Viggy, if you need anything, hit me up and tell a favor. Good. Show some love. Hit the like button. It helps out. Thank you, Viggy, for the vibes. Shaya. Coming in clutch. Shaya's coming in clutch. Although it is in a automatic, but he's coming in clutch. Sally said, Sally's trapped us. You gotta send some pigeons carrying 1 kilo of sour sticks. By the way, 1 kilo of sour sticks is basically 1 shtickel from the peckle. It's a sound gross kilo. Zigonisch. No, it's sour sticks. It's not sour straws. Oh, okay. Sally, that was good. That was good. I give you that. Viggy, do you like hamsters? In what way are you asking, alles geht's? What do you mean I like hamsters? What's this? What is going on? Why is Hallie so hyped today? Because her daughter is singing. She's walking with a weighted vest on a treadmill, 2 screens, one the daughter, and bouncing around. Some people have hamsters in their house. I mean, it's nicht gut nicht. Ich habe adapted, nicht jetzt, in New Orleans, a schlang. But it's geriefen Nola. It's just a thing, it just sits around. Matti. Good morning, Matti. Matti Bertheimer can check that up. How you doing? Ich gehe fahren machen dann zu früh mit Viggy. Good job, Ericho. How was your morning, Matti? La 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 Yeah, I messed up. But Viggy, don't give up. Don't give up. You'll be good. You'll be good. It's just a matter of time. 75 years later, I'll be good. It's just a matter of time. Tight. If you say it doesn't miss me, and there's some tighter, and that's the change looks. Yes, especially if you say it for a chusat, Sally. It's crazy. All the clips where people were playing with the sharks in Israel. Yes, totally cuckoo. I really did not understand. I thought they schreibt, Altasus. And I thought to me, bro, wat neemt er op dan vies middanus? What are you saying? What are you playing? Isn't that a shark? Terrible. You might have gemacht a terrible trade. Ay. But we'll get better. We'll get better. But some tears over the show. Well, what are we learning from the tears? What are we learning from the show? Huh? What are we learning from it? That we have to be grateful. And we have to see what we do have. Sometimes it boggles me that only 85, 90 years ago, man are like human beings in ovens. And now we're living like kings. I tell you, kings. Viggy, come on, make 10 millions already, please. Schrei dezelfde Sache, alles geht's. Ich bait. Learn to live as a proud Jew. Yes, also. Be kind. We have to be kind to people. Exactly, Jim. I like that. Wow, wie ich das schlecht gedreht. Woo! Sag mal, wenn sie kickt, oh, simple. Es war nicht simple. Wo sitzt du? Es ist pain. Man kickt. No, it doesn't have to provoke guilt. Instead, action. Yes. Get the action. Positivity. Positivity is the key to go. No way. Muron vekudosh, iki levadoy, muron vekudosh.
Kiki levadoy, muroim vekudosh, kiki levadoy, muroim vekudosh, kiki levadoy, muroim vekudosh, kiki levadoy.
Muron, wow, ze gaat nog erover heggen. Jesus. Google's earnings, hand kind. Oei, oei, oei. Huh? Google gaat doen wie veel zero's aanbakken. Isn't that crazy? Wie veel geld ze haben generated. Wie viel zij generaten, wie viel zij richten, wie viel zij machen. Crazy stuff. By the way, als ich hab ich schon do. Zwei Sachen. Erste Sache, hit the like button. Und dann bist nicht subscribe. What are you doing? What are you doing? Seriously. You're not subscribing. That's what you're doing. Okay. Nicht kein pressure, Viggy. Everybody at their own time and their own pace. But auch, it's not financial advice. So please be very careful. You know what I'm saying? Don't be, Viggy gesucht. Wie geht's nicht gesucht? Alright. Waiting for another depressing song. Shia, we're feeling the love, Shia. We're feeling the love. Ich hab umgehoben mit der Cold. Jetzt ist er weggegangen. Jetzt habe ich auf und mal. Moaning about anti-Semitism. Nobody's moaning. You're making Schlüsselchalle? What's the Schlüsselchalle for? You should have the key to the heart. Oh, that's so cute. Kimt jetzt, sie laufen alle. You bet you're something at 888? Didn't understand, Sally. 5,000 pounds of challah. Fini malke. They'd have to spend all day baking Friday. I have the key to the hive. Now you just have to put it into a challah. In the stref ma challah. Nicht nur die, enke alle. Oh, nicht für die Frauen, though. It's if you bist, it's if you swing the other side. Which is okay. So much can I shoot damit. Trying not to swear. I swear that you're trying not to swear, huh? Send me your name and I'll daven. And I'll daven for you and I'll daven for me. If this doesn't evoke any type of feeling in you, when we hear them in the Ginam, don't know what does. By the way, Sally, about curse words, especially for me, the F word, right? I don't want to say it. Stamazoy, because now it's a bad word. But for me, it's a magnifier. Let's say you wait for someone and he comes late, 10 minutes. And they say, hey, what's up? Like, oh my God, there was an accident. Okay. It sounds like a fender bender. But if you say, oh my God, it was an effing accident, that must be 4 people dead. You know what I mean? It's a magnifier. It enhances. And also, by the way, when you hurt yourself and you curse, it actually helps you relieve the pain. So, curse away. Joking, I'm joking. Ich had kein Patience. Oi, oi, oi. Ich had kein Patience mit dem Stark. Darf mich mehr erudern. Mehr Patience. I will curse away now. Thanks for the header. For the header. It's not a header. Header. It's nicht kein header. It's just an understanding on how you use a word. Words are just a way to communicate with Melissa or to Kate. We don't know. Ay, ay, ay. Digga, 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 dai, dai, dai. Lass mal übergehen, CEP. Ich wollte das nicht gekauft, weil CEP ist hecher $20. Mein. Pa, 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 pa. Hey, Sally, you see, Toby or Sally, read this message, but put in an F word in it. Hey, Sally, you're being too effing hard on yourself. No need to. You see? But Sally wasn't so hard on herself, so that's why you didn't use it. Toby, Viggy, tell us more about your snake. Jim, Mita J. Her name was Nola for New Orleans. Habe ich getroffen. Ich habe nicht getroffen. The people that I worked with found her in the wall. She was a runaway. She's a runner. She's a track star. She went into the wall too far. And basically, they asked me what they should do with it. And throw it away. I don't know. It's a snake. But they started explaining to me, I said, wollte nicht echt do, it's not food, and it's a pet snake. So I was deadly afraid of it. But one of the managers there, he has 8 or 9 snakes in his house. So we had a meeting. I'm gefragt alle narische kashas. And he put me at ease. And I realized that the fear is irrational fear. So if it's irrational fears, I worked on myself. And then by the way, thanks Moishi. Moishi gekauft damals bei Sruchel for us. I'm just saying. Bei Sruchel, I bought like a cage and we called it by Sruchel, the school. Sometimes people use it when they feel like they're losing control, yes. Or they want to gain control. They want to show you. They want to show you. They want to show you that they know what they're doing. They're confident about it. So if they're confident about it, Sally had a pet snake. Was sie geschehen? What happened? She had a pet snake. Oh, wait, you're Canada. Don't you have Drake? Whoa, what a snake. Joking. Showing confidence is the definition of losing control. Yep. Good point. Good point. Mama sehen Sie, ich habe noch pictures von dem. Snake or Bacon. Hi, ja. Whenever I go back to the days as ich bin gewesen in New Orleans, darf ich sagen thank you for Avrumi and Sam. Avrumi and Sam, thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. It was a great opportunity from my side. Hold on. Looking for the snake pictures. Looking for the snake. Ga machen challah abek. Oh, Schlüssel challah. Let me see if I can show you. Let me see if I can show you. Look at the screen. You'll see the snake. Her name was Nola. The only thing she wanted is food and getting the flipple-flapple out of that cage. All day she was hiding, and at night I had a camera on her. She was just constantly pushing to get out. People that are confident don't have to show their confidence. Makes sense. Makes a sense. Hi, big te vregen. Nee, lieper.
Lieper, wo ist denn
Wo ist denn Oh, dat is hem goed. Oi. Our snakes escaped into the ceiling. It's most probably still in the ceiling, to be honest. Snakes don't leave they don't travel more than, I think, like 3-4 miles out of their radius in their lifetime. They can sit for weeks without eating. They get a chaya, they get it, and then they stay. Visa heißt der. I'm not going to say a name. I'm not going to say publicly a name, but what's his name? Bleep Bleep. Er getroffen een riesige snake bij hem in zijn boiler room. You have stories. Just imagine the snake. The snake is like, there's a family living in my house. They're living in the basement because he's living in the roof. Now I don't have any pets. Jim, gewoon mag gaan joke. Gewoon zeggen, I have my mother. Sad joke. So if a guy in a hotel says, this is no pets allowed. I'm like, oh, what am I going to do with my mother-in-law? So I don't have any pets, but sometimes I dog sit. Zoe, Amber, Bean. You know what I mean? Yiddish vibes. Guten Sie Morgen, guten Sie Morgen. Zoe is meer a ältere vrouw. Zoe is meer as a family member. You know what I mean? We don't look at her as a doggy. Was ich teuer, wenn es kommt sie Geld. Sie borgen, mitten in der Gemüse. Siehst? Bringt mich schon auf die Gemüse. Machen. Shia. No. Okay. What are you doing, Shia? No, you're not a pet. My man, come on. It's a good joke. I'll take that. I'll give you that. It's a good joke. Arega, so hold on, Shia. Adib is the pet. Eat the chickens. First cousins, pets. Joke. Oh, hold on. How do I mark? Do off my hand. You guys are not going to see it. Van a bunny rabbit. Wenn ich begin a kind. Ich gewinne a family friend, der got a bunny rabbit. Ich habe es gegeben als a Quetsch. Es hat mir gegeben a Ras. Since then, death to all bunny rabbits. But they're cute. You're cute. You know, when you see a bunny rabbit, you're like, oh, so cute. A bunny. Like. Come on, people. Hit the like button. Thank you, Yiddish vibes. Let's hit the like button. I appreciate it. I feel the movie hit the like button like I'm selling like life insurance. Sorry for all life insurance sales people. I would want to get a crow. A black crow. A baby black crow and train it. Meaning, we kunnen trainen zal erin vliegen, aufpicken Geld en terugkomen voor essen. Paper money. So ze vliegt erin. Jim, if Viggy has your email, I'll send pics. That's really cute. I don't have Jim's. China crow. They're very, very intelligent. You can teach them to find paper money. And you send them out. They fly around. They find it. They come back. And you give them food. Post the pictures here. Let's see. Crows are brilliant. Yes. I think they could even mimic sounds. But birds are very beachy. They're very beachy. Schreien. I sometimes see videos where they attack, not attack, but they come to the owner. I hate you. We gotta keep them in the basement. Like where I keep all the other women. It's a joke. Come on. That was funny, Viggy. We collecting money for the Scheitel. Jim sieht für immer wie dem. Scheitel? Come on, Jim. Spitzeln up. a move, and it will be funny thinking now when the Hasidim are going to be online, eventually they'll all be online. But it's usually from the internet, but it's not from the Oibernet, or whatever. It's a drop-down, Buchermel can picken. What type of color do you want? Boop, Scheitel, Heule Scheitel. Scheitel mit der kleine square cupcake hats. A Scheitel mit a Band. Nein, ich kann hassen a Band. Ich habe Music Band. Band. Nog dem met aan spitzel in the color, the meidel het kennen gaan of de boeger zag, wie like weggestramel willen. Gaat met dat stramel Friday night oder YL. Good morning. Well, now I do, and now I need to say that I do because I don't want to make you like I don't remember you, and you're gonna take it personal. Oh, so cute. All right, hold on, peoples. Picture incoming. Picture incoming. Hold on. Come on, hold on. Look at this picture. It's so cute. Can you tell them like, kissy, 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 and they go by? So cute. But they don't do nothing. What do? Do they work? Do they have a job? Huh? Freeloaders? yeah, they're beauties. They're beauties. So cute. They throw out the chips. They throw out the chips from the cage. Oder mit der Yankee, this is on a whole nother drop down. Welche Stramel willst du dann kussen soll gehen? Kroos, Jena, oder. Nur so ganze Competitions. Es ist gut, wie groß die Spitzen. In Eddie ist der Übergang the sizes, es ist an a schönere Website, die Stramel hat also wie werden hecher und hecher. Oder kannst du dann like deine eigene Measurements. Viggy, your mother wears a spitzel? My mother wears a spitzel? Your mother wears a spitzel? No. To be quite honest, for a very long time, I didn't know what a spitzel was. Boop. I'm just saying. What are those old charts in the screen? Go on, shishtesam. It says charts in the market. Ba-da-da-da. Hold on, Toby. I gotta really Google that because I'm not reading the word right. So let me Google it. Hold on. I gotta crack it. Oh, they could mimic sounds. I've never heard that. I never heard that they could. They live between 5 to 8 years. The first thing that comes up, why you should think twice before getting a bird. Bagug. Bodgi? I don't know. Funny. Hold on. Why is the morning live more people? Was du mehr Menschen? Wie ist die herangecheckt? Maybe you didn't check into the right one. Jede Nacht ist anders. Yiddish vibes. I mean, es Menschen that are busy. You know? They can copy sounds. I never heard that. Ich hab nur einmal Ich habe nur einmal getrunken, Kroos. Okay, geht. Yankee, ich gehe bis Taid, jetzt weiß man bis Taid. One of our belugas said a word once. He sounded like a robot. Oh, I didn't know they could mimic. Very interesting. So my birds hated me. They didn't say a word. I thought how do you say that word? Bodgi? Toby, do you know the Simpsons thing? The word is the word. The word. The Family Guy. Word. Word. Oh, please, another song. Why is the morning life more people and the night less people? I don't know. You gotta ask the people. Hadden de oilen meer over geliked, I guess. Belugas are miniature parrots. Isn't the gray parrot the most that could... My second time here in the morning. Nice, there's best to do. So people need to figure out what their show is about. Show is a wrong word. They have to figure out what this is about. And they gotta find their place. That's okay. We'll give them some space. We'll show them this beautiful face. There will be one nice. It will be just in case. YG. How you doing? Go verder machen dansen free met Viggy. Come on. Some good beats. Nice rapper, Viggy. Keep going. Thank you. Ze komt naar de roos van, je bent comfortable, you know. Ze niet zo zeggen, we zich ken, echt omrim. Ze komt naar de roos van, dat is subconscious part van mijn brain. Can't play with it games. You know what I mean? So we will the live, dus we dat game meteen. Not affiliated. Hello and welcome. You should do it for a living. The regen got pressure. It just doesn't. I don't know. Yes, it's my morning chill chat show. Yeah. Thank you. Not affiliate. But it's funny, you're not affiliated here. In Nanuman, but you are affiliated right here. See? Can I him draaien velten? Someone comes in with it, I'm not affiliated, and yet you are affiliated. So that's why I'm mostly not affiliated, huh? Rapatapata. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. Rapapapa. And by the way, mensen meinen, weil ich ga do the charts, und sie kijkt aus, was ich weiß, was ich die. Ich habe nicht keine Ahnung, was ich die, really. So mensen meinen, als du kein Geld. I survive off the views and the super chats. I'm just letting you guys know. Yeah. Yes. It's so funny. Ik ben opgestaan en nog een raad cold. Gefillige cold. And it just left. And only positive energy. Facts, not financial advice. Yes, Shaya. Yeah, gotta be very careful with these things. The CEP stock is gegangen von $17 to $37. $20 euro. Crazy. Und ich habe es nicht getradet. And really, but 21.66 would have been... Nou, een beetje lager. 21.81. Oeh, wacht. Dit is de zaak. We gotta get better. Gotta get better. Boy, doy, mula, yo, 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 lo. No, not affiliated. You don't need to change it. I was just being clowny. Ya me kom ke boy, do boy. Ay, me kom ke boy, do. Ay, kom ke boy, do. Hey. All right. Hang up the phone. It's busy.
The father seems so busy. My phone is going
Crazy.
My hands are numb and frizzy.
Crazy.
Gadgets make us lazy. We
Ooh.
gotta take it easy.
By the way, itong these songs, the gadgets make us busy. A while back, noch far TikTok mit alle Sachen. Just imagine. In damals hat man schon gemeint, dass wir auf Zürich.
Can you hang up the phone? I didn't see you in ages.
Mostly not affiliated.
Contagious. You're going through some stages. The phone makes you
Good one.
It locks you up in cages. Unlike ours.
Stages.
Can you hang up the phone? Although this focus forever tries to choke us, it's making such a ruckus, we can barely focus. Traveling and driving, eating, working, sleeping. Why keep on replying?
Oh, they're singing Atikva.
All the rings and beeping.
The second you said that, Sally, anybody that has Satmara programming was like, Atikva? Like, what's happening? Bonjour. If she likes it, that is the whole point. But to be honest, Rav Sachen lädt man sich aus in daheim. So if you have a good home, you'll be good. Tuter. Bye, bye.
I'm going to a wedding, the entire hall is squawking. Everyone is phoning to the wall. I'm talking. My friends with his Bluetooth. When together we are walking.
Nice, Sally.
Hello, please. Can you hang up that deaf phone? Instead of searching Google, I'm busy making Kugel.
Das ist mir. Allergies, going strong there, huh? Ich habe nicht keine Allergies, to be honest. But Menschen, die mir haben Allergies, and they weinen, können nicht essen, man. Hör gemeint, nur Ei des Zwiebel.
Gedenk noch, wenn Blackberries vielleicht nicht wachsen in Manhattan. Nur wenn es auf der Headache, damit sich mit Tabletten.
Come on. Ich habe nicht keine Allergies. No allergies for me, my man. Jetzt bin ich stamm auf der CEP-Stack zu sehen, wie hoch, wie noch höher kann man gehen. Die Join sind sich als Gewinnen neu adeigen. Adeigen. Livestream at Fire Like Boimer. Ooh, alles geht. I like it. I like this. We're gonna start working on it. Ga in de hout, ga de plaats. Darf treffen einer, der spielt Keyboard. Einer, der will ein bisschen spielen. Music mit uns. Hey, my heart's so it's so. Shai took Viggy, COVID is back, not allergies. Government needs to make money. Oi, bye. Nah. Allergies is, I feel no 50% placebo effect, you know? My heart's so it's so. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Self-employed is a blessing. We dat machen Geld. Een mooie degen. Een mooie degen. Tarabam. 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 Ben is like boy met, by the way. Een mooie degen. Een mooie degen. Hoe zit de date van like boy met? Baga sowieso. 2+ weeks to go. Okay, wir müssen planen dafür. Dafür treffen wir eine, der spielt Music. I live the hi-hat. This is a Friday night. Oei vei. I guess we machen a Friday night live. Obviously alles geht. Chas v'shu. The bottom of the dust of the CJ, good morning. It's a machine good morning, Fadira. The mail. And by the way, alles gets different time zones. Get it. CJ, maar nog een good morning, Fadira. What is this? Good morning. CJ, good morning. How you doing? Hello and welcome. Well, obviously, nicht Poets negated. You know what I'm saying? Let's go and let's get it. The White House, Otungo im Effenen. Will you need help slapping pilots? Nee, alles geht, I got it. Ich darf nur help mit tires. Ich darf ein bisschen redlich. The White House hat ungo im Effenen the press pool for YouTube, nicht YouTubers, but outside from the media, like CNN, NBC, CNBS, you know, all that. And the media halt das nicht aus. Tim Pool, ich watch him. Timcast IRL, geworden invited. So sitzt dort in the press briefing. Became a question. And gefragt, ob es a question in the media hat exploded auf ihm. Die Media gegangen, oh, bringt uns herup, in this, in jens, treibt sich an von uns. The legacy media has gotta go. Nein, ich bin nicht kein News Reporter oder so. Ich hab es nicht in mir, you know? Ich will sitzen dort und dann mit fragen, okay, Viggy, what is your question? And I'll turn white and be like, hello? This gets from me. Become the first Yiddish news reporter. Oh, that would be interesting. So, wo suchst du? Can you say it in English? But my channel is in Yiddish. The mayor, by the way, ich mein von San Francisco, hat gesucht auf ADS, hat zusammen gespitballt. Und er gesucht, dass er will geben free, fentanyl für Leute. Maybe you should officially release news episode. This is gewesen ein Plan. This is a plan. Zitieren. Wie der Bottleneck ist, also ich darf sort of ein Editor mit einem Producer, wo ich mache es, edit es, legt es darauf. Für mich, es nimmt das Sach geduld in Koyach in Zeit. Sie machen das, plus reviewen, plus editen, plus posten, plus machen. Bin ich das ein Hustler? Was kann ich dir? Ich habe nur das Magazine, der Hustler. Was kann ich dir? Viggy start doing real estate? I do real estate on the side, okay? Okay? I mainly learn in Coil like from till 12, and then I do real estate. Talk to Yossi Goldstein. It is busy mit seiner eigenen Sache. He's very, very busy with his own thing. No hustle, no money. Ai. Die alle Menschen, die haben gehustelt und nicht gehabt Geld, wie weißt du? I'm just trying to find a new job. Man darf kennen die Sachen, man darf kennen editen, man darf das. Davor man geht chemistry. I know. But I'm saying you have to have a good chemistry. You know? How is everyone involved in real estate? Well, Sally, welcome to the Yiddish Welt. When I go walk daran in a mall, and I a bakery, and I a Zach, tracht oh, what's missing? Who's coming zielleigen to the mall? I eat walk daran, I say, oh, du a bakery? I kiek those busy, ich will auch het even aan a bakery. You know what I mean? There are so many properties. Sally, if there's so many properties, have you ever zoomed out on Google Maps? You have an accountant? Nope. Hopefully, betreden Sie Penny G. Penny G is an accountant. What are people really saying when they're saying that? They're trying. And also, real estate is a groß, what is the real estate? And if you make money of it, it's like, oh, Kikun, Paisach is less than a year. The pressure can start to push. Darf schon coveren für nächste Jahr Matze, huh? Funny. Das alles geht drauf. Wenn ich gehe die Plan, dann, das war noch ein Max das aus. Ich kann schon schmecken, was ich auch gesagt. So, what are you doing? See, Sally gesagt, good one. Wo's good one? Man sieht das nicht. Terrible. We got a deleter in the chat. Sally, have a lovely and awesome day. Tell everybody I say hey. Besides for the horses, just give them hey. I hope she sings nice. Delete it. Row. Thank you. Rappau. Lots of Pony punts today, huh? Hey, you know, I watch Billboard Chris in Airkimp in Canada, Vancouver, and it, hey, when I read, it's like, hey, I like that little. How's your day? It's good, hey? You're gonna help me schlep this box, hey? It's like answering yes to the other person. Like my favorite my favorite, jeez Louise. My favorite word is in Spanish. Wenn man sucht in Spanish sucht man gracias, is that emphatic Granada. Granada. Like, for nothing. Like, it was my pleasure. Love that word. It's cute, eh? How much do Mexicans earn every year? I have no idea, but ich weiß, dass der Käufer nicht, der Zoll nicht gar limit. Der Zoll nicht für, sie sehen, wie viel Lieden zahlen für Groceries, sie zahlen das nicht. You know what I mean? But the communism not so cute. Well, it's not so cute, eh? We're talking about the A. Communism is never cute. The reason why communism doesn't work, one of the reasons, is because the people on top don't follow the rules. If everybody would follow the rules, 100% from communism, it could work. Could work. They pay to go to Mexico? Dinada, yes. I think it's called Dinada. Siehst, muss schon alles geht. Ich habe jetzt 3 Sachen, was ich darf replyen zu dir, aber bald geist du deleten, so ich reply nicht. Weiß nicht. I don't know. Jetzt bin ich confused. Jetzt sitze ich da ganz nervös. What's up with the vocal music? Nothing is up. Even auf der Schilgenurig de andere week. Bis die Kim sieht zu dem. Ich hab's gesagt. Fang mit der Alphabetical. Fang koiden udom lakavar, udom mokoim, die ganze Sache. Und nur dann, wenn die jetzt umkommen, all the way do, hat man sich heraussetzen, den Huben ab wann in one meeting. I gotta start somewhere. Und du hast den Pink umgeben. Du hast umgeben. No. Hello. By the way, wenn einer fängt an Marathon, der erste Mal laufen, und läuft der erste Mal am Marathon, let's say the New York Marathon, is it okay wissen, dass geht fail? And that doesn't mean anything. So, you failed. You know what I mean? At least something. Well, in der Liege, sie gewähnt, einer von meinen Rebbes haben gesagt, dass in der Liege, sie tut 10 Sachen. Sie fehlt eins, was? Keep religion to thyself. You know what I'm saying? Keep it to yourself. Willst es, mach es. Willst es nicht, mach es nicht. You know what I mean? Besides, if somebody holds a gun, a gun to your head, well, that's a different discussion. But you keep your caca to yourself. You know what I mean? Thank you. Und ich meine, es ist ein Kashim Disrespect. Mein anderer Rebbe pflegt sagen, kann ich gehen, du spielst mit deinen Toys. Bring es noch nicht über zum Haus. Die spielen mit deinen Toys in dein Haus. You know what I'm saying? By the way, my alles geht, ich verstehe nicht. By the way, my Din Adam, the cover is stops. You're causing others. Ich verstehe nicht, alles geht. Use different words, als ich so verstehe. Yabba dabba bidai, yabba dabba bidai. Who is alles gets? No idea, but I hope he's good. But I hope you're good. How would I know? How would I know? I am not that slow. Rappa. Binyan binyan adayat. Veyiskiloi mimeni. Binyan binyan Maybe it's Trump. Elias. Everything is possible. Could be. Zugaibik. If you say could be, then everything is off the table. Everything could be. Could be this, could be that. The binyana de yad. Father Husen and Kala binyana de yad. Binyana de yad. Binyana de yad. Father Husen and Kala binyana de yad. Gewoon hier staat Trump verstaat Yiddish. Rauw. Some Vatican news. We got some good news and we got some bad news. The bad news is that the Pope is toit. The good news is, dort wie man liked him, dort het blab. Now we know where he is. From his son-in-law? Zijn son-in-law ken ik geen Yiddish. As much as I understand. Vader Husen vekala binyan adayat. Wow, 10:51. All right, this was fun. Not gonna lie. So let me begin the hand ticket too. A mistake gewesen do by CEP, as ich bin nicht mehr engaged. I should have been more engaged. ARRB, aber ich verkauft ein bisschen zu soon. I should have stayed in. Although it's a green talk, so not gonna lie, it was alright. It was okay. Should have sticked more to the designers. To the system. Nein, noi der Jim gonna say khami nein. Noi der Jim gonna say khami nein. Verich atem lashem. Noi der Jim gonna say khami nein. Noi der Jim gonna say khami nein. Noi der Jim gonna say khami nein. Verich atem Ich hab nicht, ja? So futter auf Stiller. Wer, wie, wo, wie? Keiner weiß nicht. Hold on. Alright, Gevre. Sie kommen der Zeit, wie man darf sich scheiden. Sie kommen der Zeit für sagen Goodbye. Wird nicht keinmalisiert. Ich gechillig wie viel Mal ich drei. But I want to say thank you for everybody who said doing for a kurze Zeit, for a lange Zeit, for the ganze Zeit. I really do appreciate you all. Ich gehe euch für alle Likers, Sharers, Commenters, Subscribers. Und für alle neue Members. Als ich sage noch du und ich kann liken the Video. Ich gehe euch für die Gevers um mich umgezogen auf eine andere Tab. Und dann will ich gemacht mit YouTube eine Tab. Na warum ich meine dir? I really do appreciate you all. What else? Housekeeping. Hand ist Donnerstag, so live at 8 Zeiger. Ich weiß noch nicht, was man geht reviewen. Kannst schicken dann Suggestions zu viggivibes@gmail.com. Und mal sehen, was das sagt. That is it for housekeeping. Yeah. Until next time, like alles gesagt, stay kind to one another. Peace and love.